You wouldn't believe that women are still blamed for the sex of a baby they give birth to, even in these modern times. Really? Let's clear that up once and for all. The sex of a child, whether a male or a female, is determined by the father's sperm, not the woman. This is not an opinion. This is just basic human biology. Every woman has two X chromosomes, that's XX, which usually represents a female sex. That means every egg she releases carries only one X chromosome, and then every man has one X and one Y chromosome, that's XY, which X usually represents a female and Y represents a male. So the sperm he releases can either carry an X chromosome or Y chromosome. So with the simple explanation I just gave, it means that a woman does not contribute to a male gender because what she carries is XX, which is female female, while the male carries XY, which means female male. Here is the key part. Just carry it in mind that XX chromosome represents female, while XY chromosome represents a male child. That's after fertilization has occurred and the 23 pairs of chromosome of each parent has combined together to form the 46 chromosomes of the baby. So if you understand what I just explained now, that means during fertilization, the woman always contributes X and the man contributes X or Y. If a sperm carrying X fertilizes the egg, it produces female child, that's XX. Then, if a sperm carrying Y fertilizes the egg, it produces male child, that's XY. So the sperm, which is the man, determines the sex of the baby. And in some cultures, women are being blamed, shamed, or even abused for not giving birth to a male child. But medically, a woman cannot produce a Y chromosome, which is a male child. She cannot control which sperm reaches the egg. Is it the Y sperm, which is the male child, or the X sperm, which is the female child? And she cannot choose the baby's sex. Blaming the woman's body for the sex of the baby is like blaming the soil for the type of seed planted in it. What the woman's body actually does is once fertilization happens, the woman's body nourishes the pregnancy, protects the developing baby, provides oxygen and nutrients, and then carries the baby for 9 months. But she does not determine the baby's sex. Her role is growth, protection, and life support, not sex determination. A woman is not a factory for male child. She is not caused. She is not failing. The sex of a child is biological outcome determined by the sperm. If we truly care about the women's health, dignity, and safety, we must stop blaming women for the biology that they do not control.